Hello, boys and girls. For this activity, you are going to be working on less than. And we're going to be using cards that have the blue cubes on them already. So make sure that you have cards that have blue cubes on them. You're also going to be needing a dry erase marker and some unifix cubes. So if you don't have these items, please pause this video and go and get them. Welcome back, boys and girls. So now you should have a set of cards that your teachers made for you that are blue, a dry erase marker, and some unifix cubes. Let's get started. Today we're going to be making cube trains that are showing less than, and we're going to be doing it in a horizontal way. So sometimes you've compared them going up and down, but this time we're going to practice them laying down sideways, okay? So your job today is to make a cube train that is less than this blue one. So first, let's find out how long this one is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I need to build a cube train that is less than 9. Let's give it a go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to use 5 cubes to make my train. 5 is less than 9, so I'm going to use my dry erase marker and write that. 5 is less than 9. Let's go ahead and do another one. Okay, this time we're going to show 3. 3 is less than 9. Let's show that. 1, 2, 3. So you can see that this time I did just 3 cubes because 3 is less than 9. When you're done with your cards, make sure that you upload either a video or a picture depending on what your teacher asked you for. Have fun!